The DJI Osmo Action 4 is DJI's high-performance 4K action camera, designed for adventure, travel, and content creators who want rugged, stable footage without a blocky setup. Launched with a large 1.3-inch sensor and a wide 155-degree field of view, it delivers crisp 4K video up to 120 fps and improved image quality even in low light, making it a strong competitor to other action cameras in its price range. It features advanced electronic image stabilization with models like Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon State, ensuring smooth footage during fast-moving activities. The camera is built tough, waterproof up to 18 meters without a case, and including during touch screen, font, and wear for easy framing and control on the go. It also supports 10-bit D log amp color for richer colors and better dynamic range, plus intuitive mounting options and a long battery life. That's ideal for extended shooting sessions. Overall, it's now a couple-year-old and has successors like the Osmo Action 5 Pro and Action 6. The Action 4 remains a great value pick, especially when discounted, offering reliable video quality, rugged durability, and strong stabilization, perfect for outdoor adventures, vlogs, sports, and everyday action footage. Thank you.